What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2003 Honda VTX 1300. This bike is awesome looking. It's got all these chrome accents, as you can see there. It does have some chipping on the back chrome on that back fender. You see that? It's in really good shape for being an 03. I mean, it's not perfect. Chipping the paint right there. A little dimple in the exhaust. But it's got a Mustang C with a rider backrest and a sissy bar. All this chrome's in really good shape. It's got this great looking tank tank bib around. But this tank's in really good shape, guys. It's got the chrome trim everywhere. As I move here to the front fender, fender's in great shape. Now, it does have these little cool like LED flashing lights underneath the big light. It looks like one stays solid and one flashes. You can probably toggle that. I don't know too much about that. Tank's in good shape over here. Floorboards are in good shape. Bottom of this fender, we got a little scuff right there if you can see that. Not a huge deal. It's an 03, guys. This bike is in really good shape for being a 2003. Just like killer shape for being 2003. Rider, passenger, rider seat, good shape. How many miles we got on this beast? 26,421. And it fires up right away. Good, guys. 26,000 miles, like I said. What's this little tank bag thing? Oh, nothing. It's like an ostrich material. Like I said, guys, 2003 Honda VTX 1300. Guys, these bikes are awesome. If you're looking for that middle of the line cruiser, and you don't need all the power that the 1800 has, or you don't need like a Raider or something like that, get yourself a VTX 1300. Very comparable like to the 1300 V-Star and the 950 V-Star. They're all great middle of the line cruising bikes. If your first bike was this bike, might take you a little bit of getting used to, but you might never need a different bike. Now most people don't ever stick with the same bike forever, but really power-wise, you would kind of be at a great spot. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike. I'm sure Sean's gonna rave about it. We've had tons of these bikes. I mean, love them. Check out the test drive video on this bike, as well as check out the website, Srkcycles.com, as well as check us out on Instagram at Srkcycles. Thanks so much for watching, guys.